everyone, this is Ruby Elsworthy from Australia. Welcome and congratulations to our Asia of EVENTI 2022 online. Never look back. Something I always read and hear, but why not have a look how far we has come? How will we be able to know ourselves today and tomorrow when we ignore who we were yesterday? Be proud of who we are and what makes us become this way. It has been a very challenging year. Many companies around the world disappeared forever due to the COVID and economic downturn. A year has gone and we had made it this far. Wow! Congratulations to all of you. Thank you. And now time to celebrate, to get ready for the new chapter. Time to plan for our next move of the new economic evolution of the world. We are strong, we are powerful, we are still here. And the most importantly, we never ever given up. We are committed to our vision and our CEO Andrey vision. Thank you so much to our CEO Andrey. Thank you to Mila, thank you Arman, and many the other. Thank you so much to my team. Are you ready for the next chapter? Right here at EVENTI 2022. Stay focused, stay tuned. See you to the top. Bye bye.